stop the pump, close your valves, your intake, and the return valve. Loosen the check screen union. Loosen the cell union. Just one turn to loosen it a little. Okay. There you go. Pull out the screen. And clean off the screen. Now, if you want to clear the screen and make sure there's nothing left inside of here, just open up your main drain valve real quick. Let some water out. Stop. Close it off. Go ahead. Slide the manifold back into place. Pull your union down, and you're just going to hand tighten these. Just make sure that they don't get cross thread. And so you're going to tighten down your screen union, and you're going to tighten down your cell union. And then once you're done, you'll open up your return valve and all of your intake valves, and then you come back and restart your pump.